Hello, it's InvestorZilla, and today I just want to talk about Shift Technologies, ticker symbol SFT. If you follow the channel, you know I'm a huge fan of this stock. It's one that I believe long term will be absolutely massive for me. I'm happy to report it's finally starting to go back up. There's a lot going on in the stock market that is just absolutely bizarre to me. Feels like the big hedge funds are not backing any stocks right now, even the big guys. Even stocks that have massive earning beats are just doing nothing, or in some situations, going down. Shift has been a bit of an outlier as of late in my portfolio as it started to do fairly well. So currently Shift trades at $8.85 a share at the time of this screenshot. But you can see back on April 20th, it was as low as $6.94. Now, this company is still under a $1 billion market cap, which is just mind-blowing to me. Now, the NASDAQ today stayed pretty much flat, as did most of the stocks in my portfolio. But honestly, over the last month, growth stocks are just getting hammered. And it sometimes seems like it isn't even reflected in the NASDAQ composite. By the way, I just saw this. The Rocket Companies is down 13% in after-hours trading after a not so good earnings report. I'm going to be watching this one tomorrow to see what ends up happening. Now, I do like this company. I bought several houses using this company, and I might find tomorrow to be a buying opportunity for this stock. I just need to dig in and look into the earnings a bit more. Anyway, back to Shift. I'm actually up from my average cost now. You know, I have made a fortune of $15.39 with a gain of 0.32%. All right, okay, that's not quite a fortune. So, joking aside, this stock has been disastrous, and I've seen so many people get scared away during these red days. Now, I don't know if this stock is going to go down tomorrow, but I do know what's happening right now in the market won't last forever. The stock market is ugly, and I think some of that buying has just slowed down. And in fact, I bet there's some massive sell pressure going on with some of the larger funds, but I don't know yet for sure. Now, in Shift, I actually do have some option contracts. I'm still down a bit on those. I think it was around 20% when I checked earlier today. But at one point it was over 50%. So it's getting better. I just want to give everyone a little bit of confidence in the market. Research your company and understand what you're putting your money into. When I haven't researched a company in the past and the stock goes down, I get so nervous. Where I become fearless, and I think you need to be fearless, is when I trust the fundamentals of my company. The stock price goes down, I buy more. It goes down more, I buy even more if I can. Now I'm down a little over $50,000 since March in my portfolio. But 2020, wow, 2020, I had an average return of a little under 37%, which is ridiculous and not normal at all. Now, I probably will not get anywhere near that this year, but I do trust in the long-term view. I don't care if my stocks go down day after day. I focus on the long term. I trust in the company I'm buying. I know things will turn around. We just have to give it time. Shift fundamentals are strong. They have an amazing balance sheet and a management team that is focused on growth and culture. The weakest part of the company, honestly, is the culture. We talked about that in the video I did on Shift on my channel. It's the place that I'm watching the most because they need to recruit and grow a ton. I believe in this company. I believe the CEO wants to build a great culture while pushing growth. And I hope and I believe they will figure it out. You can see that they're starting to make traction on that and the numbers are turning over. Now, do I think Shift will be Carvana? I don't think so. But Shift has a real possibility to be one of the top 5 online marketplaces for cars long term. I do see a future where all cars are bought online, and that will be the norm. Now, mark this date. I'm super excited to hear their earnings on May 12th, which is the expected date according to NASDAQ, so it might change. Even without funds backing Shift, I believe with a good earnings beat, retail investors can move the stock price up closer to $10 a share. Remember, the market cap is under $1 billion right now. Also, want to throw this out there. Shift is now purchasing cars from the Las Vegas region, which is massive. The more hubs that they can get set up to buy cars just pushes this company faster in growth. Now, in short, I'm a big fan of this company, and even though I joke about my profits, truthfully, I'm in this company for years to come. So I don't care if I'm up 0.32% or down 10% in the short term. What I do know though is this company is stupidly undervalued right now. Stupidly undervalued. If you don't mind, take a second, comment, like, subscribe, and help me build this channel out. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you all next time. By the way, I am now researching Vuzix, ticker symbol VUZI, and I am so excited to share my thoughts around that company with you. And I think there's some big things happening there. Anyway, see you next time. Invest safely.